Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Steve Smith. I'm the editor of PHC News Magazine, and right now I'm joined by Jordan Hewlett. Jordan is one of our PHCPPros social media influencers, as well as working in outside sales at Goodin Co. Jordan, tell me a little bit about Goodin, first of all.
Goodin Co. is a plumbing and heating distributor, commercial, residential, industrial.
Yep.
Headquartered out of Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Okay.
15 branches between Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota, Nebraska, and Wisconsin.
How long has the company been around?
81 years. They're in their 81st
81.
year.
Okay,
Yep.
long time.
Yeah.
And what's the major lines that you guys stock?
Our primary HVAC line is Rude, A.L. Smith water heaters. Right now, one of our fastest growing products is Nyron, the PPR market.
Oh yeah, sure, Nyron, yeah.
Yep.
Very good, okay. So, it's toward the end of the afternoon, so I got 3:45, so the day's almost over. Not quite.
Almost.
So what have you seen today?
Everything.
Yeah.
You know, the best part about AHR every year is the ability to see every manufacturer's newest product, all the innovations.
Okay.
That's the best part of the show.
Any particular product that you've seen specifically that caught your eye?
IBC has launched a tankless water heater.
Okay.
That is just a little bit different design than everybody else's, and I'm really excited to see how it performs.
What's different about it? What's the?
The heat exchanger design, and the simplicity of the cabinet of the unit.
Okay. Good. Okay. So, what's it like being one of our social media influencers for PHCPPros?
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You know, I enjoy Instagram. I love being on there. I love posting to it, and you know, PHCPPros is awesome for the quality of content you guys share and the continuous. And it's not just quality but quantity. You have PHCPPros has a mass of great content. That they
There's a
share
lot of
every day.
stuff.
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Good. So, what do you want to see for the industry overall in the year ahead?
In the year ahead, just continued evolution. You know, as the modern world, you know, everybody's cell phones are getting fancier, everything's getting more technologically advanced. I think the plumbing and heating industry has to evolve with that to stay with the times.
Good. All right. Well, Jordan, thanks for coming by.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
And keep up your good work
Appreciate it.
for us and Goodin.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks.
Thank you.